Hey, future Salesforce superstars! Are you ready to kickstart your career in 2024? Well, you're in luck because Salesforce skills are in high demand, and landing an internship can be your ticket to success. Stick around as I share how you can secure a Salesforce internship and pave the way for a bright future. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the specifics of how you can land a coveted Salesforce internship in 2024. Whether you're a student looking to gain practical experience or a career switcher aiming to break into the tech industry, this video is for you. Let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Let's address the elephant in the room, the competitive nature of internship applications. With hundreds of applicants vying for limited spots, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd. Employers are looking for candidates with a unique approach and a genuine passion for Salesforce. So, how can you make yourself the top choice? Exploration/development. To increase your chances of landing a Salesforce internship, start by building a strong LinkedIn profile. Showcase your skills, projects, and interests related to Salesforce to attract the attention of recruiters and professionals in the field. Networking within the Salesforce community is also key. Attend events, join online forums, and connect with industry experts to expand your circle and learn from the best. Additionally, gaining relevant skills through online courses or hands-on projects will set you apart from the competition. Climax/key moment. Now, let's talk about the moment you've all been waiting for, insider tips on how to tailor your resume and cover letter for a Salesforce internship application. Highlight your relevant experience, technical skills, and any Salesforce certifications you may have. Customize your application to showcase your passion for Salesforce and how you can contribute to the company's success. Remember, attention to detail and a personalized touch can make all the difference. Conclusion/summary. As we wrap up, remember that securing a Salesforce internship is not just about gaining experience, it's about launching your career on the right path. By following the strategies we've discussed today, you can increase your chances of standing out in a competitive job market. Start your journey towards a successful career with a Salesforce internship. The possibilities are endless. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more career tips and advice. I'd love to hear your success stories, so share them in the comments below. Remember, the future is bright, and with the right guidance, you can achieve your career goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.